Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. This is a video idea that suddenly came into my mind. It could become a series called Miao's Survival Chinese. In this series, I'll be teaching you some pretty cool Chinese vocabulary, words, and phrases that you can actually use when you are traveling in China or come up frequently. Each video won't be too long because too much content at once is really hard to remember. So every episode will focus on one scenario or just a few keywords. What do you think? I really want to film this video using real-life settings outside, but there are too many people around. I tried. It will a little bit awkward and I get self-conscious. So I decided to film this video at home first and I'll ease into it gradually. If you have any good suggestions about this new series, Miao's Survival Chinese, just feel free to leave a comment and let me know. And today I will teach you some words you can use in the restaurant, some words about order food in a restaurant. It's super practical and fun, okay? So I'm well prepared. Using this one. So first, when you walk into a restaurant, the server will ask, 几位? Wait a moment. 几位? 几位? It means how many people? How many people? How many people? The server will ask. And you will answer this. And you can answer 一位. 一 means one. 一 easy, right? Easy. 两位. 两 means, oh, sorry. 两位. 两. Or you can say, it's okay. You can say 二 two. 三位. That's the wrong Chinese. I'm sorry. This is my first time to be a teacher. Wait. 三位. 三 means three. 1, 2, 3. 一二三 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here are some super useful phrases to order food when you want to order food. 我要这个. I want this one. You can just point out a picture and said 我要这个. 我要 I want. 我要这个 this one. 这个 And if you want to some recommendation, it's 推荐 recommendation. Do you have any recommended? Yeah, something like that. 推荐 And the next one, very useful. 不要辣 no spicy. 不要 no 不要辣 spicy. No spicy. 辣 means spicy. 不要辣 我吃素 I'm vegetarian. 吃素 vegetarian. 我 means I, me, both 我吃素 vegetarian. 我吃素 no meat. Okay, now done eating. Time to pay. So there are 5 ways you can pay. First one, how to say pay the bill. 买单，买单，买单。Pay the bill. 买单。And four ways to 买单 to pay the bill. First one, cash. 现金，现金 cash 现金 and if you use WeChat Pay, it's 微信 WeChat Pay 微信 and Alipay 支付宝 Alipay 支付宝支付宝 and next one 刷卡 means credit card 刷卡刷卡刷卡 credit card. Now let's review. How many people? 几位 Table for one 一位 Table for two 两位 Table for three 三位 I want this one 我要这个 Recommend 推荐 No spicy 不要辣 I'm a vegetarian 我吃素 Pay the bill 买单 Cash 现金 WeChat 微信 Alipay 支付宝 Credit card 刷卡 Okay, that's all for today's learning. You know, I bought this, and at first I want to bring this to outside and write something and teach you standing on the street or in a restaurant. Oh, that's so awkward. I can't do that. So, okay, let's step by step. And just as I said, if you have any good suggestions and good idea about this series, Miao's Survival Chinese, just leave a comment. Please let me know, okay? If you are interested in learning about life in Beijing and picking up some pretty cool Chinese, welcome to subscribe my channel. Okay, that's all. See you later. Bye bye.